another fabulous core exercise that unfortunately is often done incorrectly. In this video, we're going to talk through 3 different levels of the bird dog to help you learn to engage your core properly while your limbs are moving. In level 1, I'm going to use a mini band around the wrists. Again, this is to activate greater upper body tension and to help you grab the floor with your hands and really engage the ground. Setting up on hands and knees, I'm going to place my hands right under my shoulders and my knees under the hips. I'm grabbing the ground with my hands to establish tension, squeezing into position. From here, I'm going to reach with the heel and extend my leg behind me. Slowly. Notice I'm not going really high with my leg because I want my spine to stay neutral. I'm engaging tension through my body, reaching with the heel, and imagining I have a glass of water on my back that I don't want to tip over. Slow. So when you're engaging lots of tension through the body, when you do that, it's really not an easy drill to do, even level 1. Level 2, I'm going to get rid of this band, and I'm going to incorporate a reach with the opposite arm. Setting up, grabbing the ground, reaching with the heel, reaching with the opposite arm, hold, and return. Now you can see what I'm not doing is going fast and arching my back. That negates the benefits of this exercise. You want to go slowly, engage the ground with your hands and feet, and connect that hand through to the opposite heel. Level 3, I'm going to grab my mini band again. This time I'm going to put it around my feet to add some extra level of tension to my leg extension. Return to my position. Set up, grab the ground, suction cups on the hands. Reach with the heel. Extend, hold, return. Don't tip over that glass of water on the back.